and welcome to another section of this video series on how to pass prop firm trading challenge, instant funding with BluFX, TraderCentra, and etc. We're going to be looking at everything. Okay, from our previous video, as you last remember, you can tell that we've made some significant progress. So let's jump right into a chart to see how far we've gone so far. Okay guys, here is it on TraderCentra. From our last video, we're on we made a profit of 105 or 4 thereabout, but now we are on 107. There was a little drawdown. You can see it has been profit all the way. For me here, just I had this little drawdown on GDP USD because of this major move. At this point, all indications shows that price was going to swing up. But I guess due to the Queen's death and some of the major political news around the GDP pair was what made this market sunk down to a significant number. As of this day, we had about close to about 500 pips, which is unusual in a particular day, except some major event. So as a result of that, I lost $50, which dropped me down significantly. So I immediately walked and tried to recoup my losses, which I did with series of profitable returns. So as it stands, I have only made significant little profit on this aspect. So I'm looking forward to making withdrawal on the 28th. Hopefully, God willing, I'm able to make some more profit, and however it turns out, I'll let you know. The purpose is to trade until I make my first withdrawal. This is exactly what I'm trying to do here. So moving on, I would check on the BluFX. Basically, from our last trade, you could see that we made we're about 500 plus, but now we've made a significant return. We are now on 900 plus. But I cut off this trade at this point, and I anticipated that the market was going to come down to this level. And but along the way, this is the 4 hours time frame. Let's move to 15 hours. Let me move to 15 hours. So here we go on the 15-minute time frame, rather. I'm sorry. Here you go. So I caught this trade here. I anticipated that it was going to get down here, but as the price keep rallying around this point, there was a little range. So I felt it wasn't going excuse me. So I felt it wasn't going to go down as much as I expected. So I had to close in here and secure my profit a little bit. So then price moved up. So I anticipated if it was able to break this range and come down here, I was going to sell again, which was exactly what I did. So I had to break my trade on a certain level. As at this point, I also anticipated price was going to move up to this level, which I did, and as a result, I closed in some profit. Okay. I closed in some profit into that effect. So now here we go. I just made a little. So basically, I'm expecting my next trade. I'm solely focusing on the Euro CHF here because I can trade on any pair. This system works on any pair. Because I had given a higher trading volume on the Euro pair up to about 60k, which is 0.6 lots. All of this were limited. The BluFX has a limitation constraint to the amount of lot size you're going to use in trading, particularly on the light package, which is $25,000. So basically, this was I was able to make this far. So hopefully I'm expecting my next trade, if I'm able to close in on any one of these in profit. I've already set my pending order. Today is Monday and we're expecting the market to open up again. So if I'm able to pick one of these trades and close in profit, then I would be qualified for a withdrawal on this account. I'm looking forward to that. So at the moment I have just 1 week left to be able to complete this challenge, and I hope I'll be able to see it through. Otherwise, I may be, I have no other option than to, pay for another subscription fee. I wouldn't want that. I just hope I'll be able to, meet my target this month and make my first withdrawal. Then I might likely, subscribe from them here of that. So that's much more profitable. But the good side about the TraderCentra is that the subscription is just once, but I am giving a limited account because I subscribe to the $2,000. I want to try it out and see for myself. After I make the first withdrawal, then I look forward to increasing it or taking a prop challenge, the 50K challenge, and see if I'm able to pass the phase. So that said, we'll keep our fingers crossed and hope for a more profitable week in this week, if there's anything like that. So I'll keep my finger crossed and I'll update you on how it turns out. Hopefully we close on the positive side. If you've not subscribed to my channel, ensure you do that, and by clicking the subscribe button and like the video if you enjoy what I'm doing here. In addition, ensure you follow me on my Telegram channel, on Stupid Rich channel, so you get opportunity to have access to my live trade, which is provided here free of charge, no premium fee, it's all free. So you can use it for your confluence and be able to make profit alongside with me. So that'll be all for now. Thanks for watching and looking forward to seeing you in my next video. Peace.